Financial modeling and forecasting takes your operating modeling skills to the next level. In one respect, we're just going to learn a new set of modeling skills with regard to the detail of forecasting key lines like revenue, operating cash, excess cash, inventories, payables, PP&E, and most importantly, debt. We're going to be doing a cash sweep model during this session. And a cash sweep model is relevant when you're trying to understand the fastest pace at which a business can pay down its debts. This skill is particularly relevant in the context of LBO modeling, certain debt-heavy M&A models, or other infrastructure models. So a variety of skills will be covered, but crucial to this is for the first time a cash sweep or cash waterfall model. Thank you.